Hello everyone, welcome back. Here are more quiet hotels around Soi Buakhao. All right then, let's go. Holiday Inn Express Pattaya Central. It's located on the south side of Soi Buakhao. There are quite a few pubs around, but it's actually pretty quiet at night. The bed and shower are both comfortable, so a good night's sleep is pretty much guaranteed. Prices with breakfast usually range from about 1,800 to 2,500 baht per night. Too expensive? Holiday Inn Express is part of the Intercontinental Hotels Group, their budget 3-star brand. So you could say this is pretty much a global standard for comfort, making it a good reference when comparing other hotels. Yeah. Golden Sea Pattaya Hotel, located just across the street from Holiday Inn Express. Prices are usually around 800 to 1,300 baht per night, so yeah, it's quite a bit cheaper. But even at that price, it's comfortable and quiet at night. Some rooms even come with a balcony and a bathtub. The entrance from the Soi Buakhao side looks a little bit sketchy. But inside, there are 2 swimming pools and even villa buildings. So yeah, it's actually better than it looks. Sunview Place. It's along Soi Buakhao, in the same area as Golden Sea and Holiday Inn Express. Prices are super cheap, usually around 500 to 900 baht per night. And yeah, it kind of feels like a budget apartment, just like the price suggests. The shower pressure is pretty weak, but at least it's fairly quiet at night. Cocoel Pattaya South Beach, located on a small lane connecting Soi Buakhao and Soi 15. Since it's a quiet little street, nights here are pretty peaceful. It's only about a 2-minute walk to the main Soi Buakhao road. The shower can be a little lukewarm, but it's still acceptable. Prices usually range from 800 to 1,500 baht per night. The price can fluctuate quite a bit, but anything under 1,000 baht is a pretty good deal. And by the way, the name says beach, but there's no beach vibe here at all. The Whisper Hotel Pattaya. This hotel sits right across from the Cocoel mentioned earlier. Prices are usually around 1,000 to 1,500 baht per night, so quite similar. But the rooms here feel a bit more comfortable, especially the hot shower, which is really nice. Since it's the same quiet lane, nights are peaceful here too. And by the way, from both Cocoel and Whisper, it's easy to get to Walking Street by motorcycle taxi. Journey Hub Pattaya Central, located on Soi 15 off Soi Buakhao. Since it's right around the middle of a quiet alley, nights here feel pretty peaceful. Rooms usually go for around 1,000 to 1,500 baht per night. It's a small boutique-style hotel, pretty standard overall. The bed and shower are pretty decent. Compared to some other hotels, the walk to the main Soi Buakhao road feels a bit longer. Actually, it's much closer to Second Road. Asa Hotel Paya. Technically, it's on South Pattaya Road, but it's only about 150 meters to the entrance of Soi Buakhao, just a 2-minute walk. It's nice and quiet at night. The rooms are very spacious, and there's even a large bathtub. Rooms with breakfast included usually go for around 1,200 to 1,500 baht per night. And from here, Walking Street is also within walking distance. So, did any of these hotels catch your interest? I've also posted full hotel tour videos on this channel, so if one caught your eye, feel free to check them out. Thanks for watching. Coming up next, 3 hotels you might want to avoid around Soi Buakhao. Stay tuned.